Looking for auto insurance in 2025? Progressive continues to stand out, especially if you value affordability, digital tools, and flexibility. Let's see how it performs for different drivers. Now, Progressive delivers a broad mix of options. Auto, you get home, you get life insurance, renters, motorcycles, and more that you can bundle to save money and manage policies all in one place. Their Name Your Price tool is a game changer for budget-conscious shoppers. Now, Progressive leads in usage-based pricing, though its Snapshot program, rewarding safe driving habits with real discounts. Other perks include accident forgiveness, vanishing deductibles, rideshare and gap coverage, pet injury protection, and more. Good news, Progressive's full coverage premiums average around $2,164 a year, below the national average, which is $2,294. U.S. News places them as number 9 in the market and number 6 in affordability, with average savings of $220 a year. Now, it earns high marks for financial strength, AM Best A+, digital tools including 24/7 claims filing, an intuitive app, and however, customer service and claims satisfaction scores lag behind some competitors. J.D. Power places them below industry average. So is Progressive your best bet in 2025? Yes, if you drive safely, want price control, extensive discounts, and a slick digital experience. Maybe not if you prioritize top-tier customer service or need reassurance during claims.